right, guys, we are one day closer to the last day of Heggerty, so we are now on day 4, okay? Remember, we always start out with our rhyme recognition, so I want you to listen to these 2 words and tell me if they rhyme. Ready? Trip, drip. Trip, drip. Do those 2 sound the same at the end? Good, they do. Trip and drip. All right, what about frame, drain? Frame, drain. Nope, they do not. Frame, drain. So they sound a little different. Ready? Grade, stayed. Grade, stayed. Good, they sound the same at the end, so they rhyme. What about frog, smog? Frog, smog. Good, they sound the same at the end. They both end with the og rhyme sound. Last one, crib, crab. Crib, crab. No, they have the same beginning sound, but their rhyme is different. Alright, now we're going to look at the onset. Which word begins with a different blend? Drizzle, traffic, dragon. Drizzle, traffic, dragon. Good. Traffic starts with tr instead of dr. What about friendly, grateful, green? Friendly, grateful, green. Good. Friendly starts with fr instead of gr. Alright. Slowly, slugger, flipper. Slowly, slugger, flipper. Good. Flipper does not rhyme, or does not have the same beginning sound. Alright, next one. Clever, flavor, classroom. Clever, flavor, classroom. Which one should not be there? Good. Flavor starts with full instead of cool. Last one. Straight, steady, sculpture. Straight, steady, sculpture. Good. Sculpture does not have the same beginning sound. Alright, now we're going to take the phonemes and blend them together. Ready? Block. Block. Flag. Plum. Club. Slick. Crib. Broom. Grill. Good. 2 more. Ready? From. Bread. Great job. All right, we're listening today for the final sound, the last sound that you hear. Ready? Brought, coat, treat. Brought, coat, treat. Good. The t at the end. Ready? Drove, cove, serve. Drove, cove, serve. What sound do you hear at the end? Good. Ready? Dress, press, horse. Dress, press, horse. Good. Next one. Head, dread, wood. Head, dread, wood. Good. Good. Ready? Frog, egg, chug. Frog, egg, chug. Good. The G sound. Ready? Trail, smell, smile. Trail, smell, smile. Good. Ready? Steep, swamp, grape. Sweep, swamp, grape. Good. Last one. Grass, mess, cross. Grass, mess, cross. Good. Ready? Now we're going to say the word, and we're going to tap all the sounds that we hear. Ready? Say brave. Tap it. B-r-a-v, brave. Say grin. Ready? G-r-i-n, grin. Say crab. K-r-a-b, crab. Ready? Say great. G-r-a-t, great. Say frost. F-r-o-s-t, frost. Say crow. K-r-o, crow. Say prom. P-r-o-m, prom. Say brisk. Say brisk. B-r-i-s-k, brisk. Say crumb. K-r-a-m, crumb. Last one. Say frail. F-r-a-l, frail. Great job. Say robe. Add p, probe. Say rab. Add k, crab. Say resh. Add f, fresh. Say rack. Add k, crack. Say rise. Add f, fries. Say ravy. Add g, gravy. Say rave. Add b, brave. Great job. Now we're going to take the piece away. Remember, when we do a blend, we are going to take the first piece away. The second piece stays. Ready? Say brave. Say brave, but don't say b. Rave. Say grade. Say grade, but don't say g. Raid. Say prize. Say prize, but don't say p. Rise. Say fright. Say fright, but don't say f. Right. Say crude. Say crude, but don't say k. Rude. Say broom. Say broom, but don't say b. Room. Say fried. Say fried, but don't say f. Ride. Say growl. Say growl, but don't say g. Rowl. Say crane. Say crane, but don't say k. Rain. Last one. Say gripe. Say gripe, but don't say g. Ripe. Great job. Now we're going to change the first blend. We're taking the old one away and putting a new one. Ready? Say flush. Change full to brr. Brush. Say drapes. Change dr to grr. Grapes. Say blow. Change bl to grr. Grow. Say clown. Change cl to fr. Frown. Say plow. Change pl to brr. Brow. Say skate. Change sk to cr. Crate. Say skin. Change sk to gr. Grin. Say sky. Change sk to tr. Try. Say slide. Change sl to dr. Dried. Last one. Say snap. Change sn to tr. Trap. That's it for day 4.